Hey guys, so our news to you for this week is talking about endangered animals. That means that there's not a lot of certain animals left on the planet, and so we want to do what we can to make sure that they don't completely go away forever. So why don't we read a little bit about it? Some animals are very endangered. Very few are left on Earth. Oh no. Some kinds of lemurs are very endangered. A kind of whale is very endangered, and a kind of hamster is very endangered. So we have some lemurs, a certain whale, and a certain hamster. That means there's not a lot left. The lemurs live in a forest in Africa. The whales live in the Atlantic Ocean. The hamsters live in grasslands in Europe. Scientists study the very endangered animals. They want to help these animals. Scientists try to protect the endangered animals. So that was just a little bit. Now, this is something we could have done in class, but if you want to do it at home, you just need 2 packages of the goldfish crackers, some mini pretzel twists, Worcestershire sauce, which I actually don't like, but you might, some ranch, some butter, a baking pan, and spoon. What we would do is preheat to 250 in the oven, take the pan and fill it with the crackers and the pretzels, stir them around, make sure they're all mixed up. Pour the sauce, the butter, and the ranch. Again, mix it up. Then you pour it all onto the pan full of it. Bake it for about 45 minutes. Make sure you stir occasionally. Let it cool, and then eat it. Ah, man, I miss making this kind of stuff in class. But you know what? Maybe you can make it at home and let me know how it is. Some jokes. Why not? Knock, knock. Who's there? Whale. Whale who? Whale you help animals? That was funny. And I wanted to do. Okay, so let's see. Choose the pictures about very endangered animals. So we click on very, we click on endangered, and we click on
very
animals.
Animals.
I want to clear that afterwards. And then finally, if it loads, what was this paper about? Was it about Krispy Kreme donuts, endangered animals, or COVID-19 vaccine? And you'd want to pick the very endangered animals because that's what we were talking about. And who studies these animals? Artist, scientist, photographer. You'd want to pick scientists. They're the ones that are helping them. And where are there very few of these animals left? On the sun, on Jupiter, or on Earth? And you'd want to answer Earth because that's where we live. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.